Hello everybody, today we make something easy dish. And I got everything on my table over here, got prepared, and I got over here the focaccia, I got tomato, yellow and red tomato, I got a black house, I got a cucumber, red onion, mozzarella, I got the oregano, you need the salt and black pepper, and I got vinegar and I got oil. Now, for start, I got my oven on, everybody know, it's a 400 degree. And I want to toast, make a little crispy, the focaccia. And what I do, I want to cut the piece like this. Ancora. This is for me and my wife. What do you think? We do one more, Eva?
I think it's enough.
It's enough. Okay. All right. And now we put this back over here. And now we cut a small piece like this. Okay? Nice dice.
Can you say hello to everyone?
Hello everybody. Today we make a panzanella. In my city in Italy it was called acqua salata. Bread, tomato, all this. And we call acqua salata. Okay, now I got this parts over here. And what I do, I put it right on this one over here. And now we put a little oil on the top.
Yeah, we do like mushroom.
Okay. I want to take something. Okay, wait. Vicino mare, facciamo amore, ancora. Okay, now this is gonna go in the oven, and we leave it toast, okay, we make a little crispy the bread. And we put in the oven. The time this is gonna be in the oven, I want to start to prepare and cut everything. Okay, this is going in the oven.
Sarah, she made chicken piccata. It was delicious.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, you can use any bread.
Yeah, the bread, you can use any kind of the bread. The only thing, the bread, you gotta toast a little bit, and you use. Okay. All right, now I got over here everything. And we start to take it out. Okay, let's start with the onion. And I cut this piece of the onion out. And this one out over here. And we put it back. And this dish, I'm not going to use it no more. And now we cut this in half. And now...
Hello, Adam. How is everything going? Sandra, she said, I'm singing with you.
What do we sing?
Whenever you sing. Can he make you clams? You were amazing.
Yes.
Sausage and arugula.
Sai suonare, oh friscariella, e come si suona, oh friscariella, e compare, che sai suonare, o saxofone, e come si suona, o saxofone, po 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 po, o saxofone. Okay, now we got this. Let's cut the olive. And we put this right over here. And the olive, we cut this 1.5.
Yeah, you can use spray oil if you like. Yes, any oil you like.
Okay, and the olives, it's done. Okay, and the house right over here together. Okay, now we gotta, let's do the cucumber. Now the cucumber I cut in half. Now, so you like the seeds, it's okay, you can cut with the seeds. But I take it out with the seeds. I scrape with a spoon.
Janet make limoncello. It was excellent. When we bought this in France.
Okay, look. Okay, if this, it's done, it will go out. And now, the cucumber, we cut in half like this.
This is Kalamata olives.
And we make little cube the same.
Anna, me say, where is your wine?
The wine. Oh, you know, I want to tell everybody, I'm sorry, but I don't drink no more wine. But I got a special glass. And I want to say salute cin cin to everybody. Ah, salute. Really good.
It's Bed Bath and Beyond, the cutting board.
Okay, and the cucumber is done. This is easy. All right, let me check the bread. I don't want to burn the bread.
No, we don't have yet. No, nothing is ready in the garden.
Okay, now we got the tomato. And the tomato.
Ah, Chrissy said my dad is 103 years old.
Oh, congratulations, 102 more. Okay, now we cut the tomato and a half.
Karen, she said I have my wine, chin chin.
Okay, who?
Karen.
Karen, salute, chin chin. I got a glass of chin chin.
Yeah, he sharpened himself the knife, yes. Well, you need to go to his website, the page, and click on the shopping list.
Luna.
My uncle is 99 tomorrow, Rocco.
Oh, happy 99. 99 years old. Oh. Gee. Okay, now the tomato go together over here. Not run away from me. Okay, now.
Actually, the oil dispenser we bought in France, so they're not available here in the state. And this is like long time ago we bought.
Okay. Let me check my bread. We leave stay a little bit more, but it's almost ready. Now we got the mozzarella and we put it right together on this bowl. And we got another one.
Nelson makes shrimp scampi and mussels at tiramisu. Wow.
Okay, now
It's English cucumber, yes.
now we make the seeds for the salad, for the okay, a little more. Okay, a little vinegar. Okay. Now, little salt. A little black pepper. And I got some oregano. The oregano I put it right over here now like this. The oregano give a good taste, the panzanella. Okay.
Well, we're using focaccia, his homemade focaccia.
Okay, now I got the bread, it's ready.
It's vinegar, white vinegar, salt and pepper just, and oregano inside.
Okay.
Can you show the vinegar, the bottle?
Yes, wait, this is the bread. Good. You take the oven off. Okay, this is the vinegar. Huh? Okay.
How many oil you put over there? It's like,
The oil, let's just say I put like a 4 tablespoons. And the vinegar like a 2 tablespoons. Okay.
it smells so good, this focaccia.
We mix it nice and slow, cause I don't want to break the tomato. Tutte bene a me saluta. Good. All right. Now I got this. Okay. And this is done. Now I got the pear seeds. I want to cut some of the basil.
Somebody said my wife's Sicilian, so when I'm sleeping, I'm always careful that she not killing me. That was a joke.
What did it kill you with the lupara? Okay, we wash the basil. Now, I never spray not on my plants. No spray. And this, like I say, you can eat like that. Now the basil, I take the leaves out like that. And I cut with my finger the basil. Oh, it smells so good, the basil.
Yep.
And I got so many basil already outside, a plant. And my garden, it does so good. Really beautiful garden I got. Okay, now we give it the last mix.
Looks so good.
All right. Now, let me wash my hand first.
Can you say how old are you? Somebody want to know.
It's my birthday. I think maybe this month. I'm 50 years old. 50 years old plus 31. I don't know. You figure out. 50 plus 31. I'm young. 50 plus 31. Not bad.
Looks so good.
Okay, now let's test. Oh, I got everything already over here. I like this everything. Now let's test. Mozzarella. Really good. I hope somebody make this. Gets really, really good. So delicious. It's fresh. It's not. It's really, really good. You can make it with the bread. Every time you toast a little bit of the bread, regular bread, and you make this. It's so delicious. I want to say to everybody, thank you very much for your support. I want to say salute e cincin to everybody, and thank you very much for the start. Thank you, and we see again. This week, we do again. Salute e cincin. A salute!